Here's problem 1730. A bat flying at 5 meters per second emits a chirp at 40 kilohertz. If this sound pulse is reflected by a wall, what is the frequency of the echo received by the bat? Velocity of sound we'll use is 340 meters per second. Alright, so we have a bat. And it's moving at 5 meters per second. Oops. And there's a wall. And the sound pulse is going to reflect off the wall. In this case, the bat is both the source and the observer. The bat's on the left, the wall's on the right. And as an observer, the bat is moving to the right. So the bat is moving toward whatever it's considering to be the source, because the reflection's coming back. And as a source, the bat is moving in the direction of whatever it might consider to be the observer. So in both cases, if we put ourselves in the shoes of the observer or the source for the bat is moving toward the other. In general, the observed frequency will equal the actual frequency, velocity of sound, plus or minus velocity of the observer, over the velocity of sound minus or plus the velocity of the source. In this case, that is going to be 40 kilohertz, velocity of sound 340, and we're going to use the top plus sign because we're moving toward the source, and we're moving at 5 meters per second. And then we have 340. We're also going to use the top minus sign because we're moving toward the observer. So our observed frequency is going to equal 40 kilohertz times 345 divided by 335. And that's going to be equal to 41.2 kilohertz. I didn't have to worry about the units here because the meters per second canceled out top and bottom, and so I was just left with the same kilohertz that I had for the source frequency. So 41.2 kilohertz is the frequency of the echo received by the bat.